This is something interesting. There's some opening in the FM DX band. I'm hearing this 88.3 in French. Off and on. It comes in for like 5-10 minutes. Fades out. Don't hear it again. Now it's kind of back. I'm trying to ID, and I'm playing around with the DX-286 here to try to ID the station and also find other stations that might be on the FM band today. Also testing the FM capabilities of the DX-286. Pretty amazing, and having a lot of fun hearing stations I've never heard on the FM band with any other radios. This is really crazy. So obviously a CBC outlet. But which one? So I'm gonna have to check out what CBC outlets on 88.3. Could be more local than I think, but it's very interesting to see. And it's a lot of fun to play with the DX of the FM band, being able to tune around. I'm gonna probably spend part of the day today tuning the FM band on this. It's just really amazing. Performance is great. So now it faded back out. I'll see if it fades back in. And I know Janice out in Dorval was hearing, I think it was South Carolina on 88.3 earlier today. So definitely some DX opening. And the DX maps also shows that there's a lot of FM DX going on right now. So pretty cool. And a lot of fun to play around with this on the Qodosen DX-286.